crazy with their cats. Listen to this one. This here King Chuck and Queen Dull of Moratovia are passing through town on their way to Balm Beach.
Get the ball, Heathcliff. Go for it.
And they're taking their royal cat with them. Royal cat, my tail feathers. Will you two stop playing with that dagnap toy while I'm talking to you? It goes on to say that this cat, Sir Beatcliff, is probably the most spoiled cat in the world. Whipped cream for breakfast, caviar for lunch. And if this don't beat all, he looks just like that flea bag we call a cat.
I bet Heathcliff would like to be that royal cat.
Riding in a limousine, getting his claws manicured, being waited on hand and foot. Says the royal party and the dang cat are being honored with a parade. Shows the route right here. Yow! Get off my head, you old fur bag! Yow! I'll get that cat if it's the last thing I do.
Yow! Life of ease, here I come. From Nutmeg Street to Easy Street in one fell swoop. My life begins.
You again, Heathcliff? Off to the Nutmeg Penitentiary with you.
My life is over.
From now on, Heathcliff, this house is off limits. Animals belong outdoors.
Egads, they think I'm some local rube named Heathcliff. This can't be happening to me. This can't be happening to me. It just seems ages since my breakfast kippers. I say, old chap, you wouldn't have a spare morsel there?
Here, take it all. Don't beat me up. I just had my claws filed.
I should be getting home, but this place has a certain rustic appeal. And why should I want to exchange fisticuffs?
This is beginning to pique my interest. Come over here, Use.
Sir Beatcliff, at your service.
Whoa! I don't understand it, but I sure like it.
Come and get it, Heathcliff.
Okay, you got us. Take the fish, but don't hurt us.
Much obliged, gents. Not a bad life, once one adjusts to the quaint local customs. You can't get decent help these days.
Very good, sir. That was buttermilk and cream. Hold the olive. Your cocktails and carbs, sir.
I wonder what my poor slob of a look-alike is doing. Ask me if I care. How about moving out of my sun, old chap?
How about taking a hike in the dog kennel?
Care to retire, Lefty?
Hope I wasn't out of line with that kennel crack. peace offering, Heathcliff. How about a little sour cream and chunks of herring?
I ordered kippers and kidney pie. Send this back. Life with these peasants is barely tolerable. I suppose I should be looking for passage to Balm Beach. Things are suddenly looking up. Hello, love.
Hi, Heathcliff. Want to come over to my place? We can listen to some Cat King Cole records.
Oh, this is more like it. Lead on, my dear. My dear, if you would be mine.
I don't know about this phony accent, but you sure have become more romantic. I accept.
Hey, don't do it, Sonia. He's not me. Don't be a sucker for romance. Sonia! Come back to the real Heathcliff.
Poor Sir Beatcliff. You're having a nightmare. Their Majesties noticed you were off your caviar and sent Lady Agnes to soothe you. I'll leave you two lovebirds, love cats alone. Ta-ta for now.
You poor lonely boy. What you need is a rousing game of mahjong. Oh, come. Agnes knows best. Don't be shy, you naughty boy, you.
Keep your paws off me.
If that's your way of proposing, I accept.
Oh.
Surprise!
Ever since that parade, you've been such a good cat that we've decided to throw you a party.
I must be losing my marbles. But you have been better. Here, have some catnip.
I think the young lovers want to be alone. We'll have our cake in the house. When are we tying the knot? I want my mother to be here.
Soon, my love. Very soon.
I love short engagements.
We are gathered here to join these two royal cats in marriage.
I've got to get out of here.
The poor dear's nervous.
Do you, Agnes of Felineshire, take Sir Beatcliff for your royal wedded cat?
Meow.
And do you, Sir Beatcliff of Moratovia, take Agnes to have and to hold for the rest of your 9 lives?
Meow, meow, meow. A lifetime with this bruiser?
If there is anyone here who knows why these two should not be joined in catrimony, let him meow now.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow!
Sir Beatcliff, come back! Sir Beatcliff, come! Back here, you miserable excuse for a cat!
From a palace to a pigsty.
Oh, Heathcliff, tomorrow will be the happiest day of my life.
I want for nothing to make my life complete. Guess again, bucko. I'm here to claim what's rightfully mine.
But which one is the real Heathcliff?
I'll give you 3 guesses. Enjoy your flight back to Balm Springs, pal. Courtesy of the real Heathcliff. Dorothy was right. There's no place like home.